Breaking. BlackRock and Coinbase are sending SHIB to 10 cents, a significant shift. One of the first to list on Nasdaq and one of the oldest cryptocurrency exchanges, Coinbase just announced a cooperation with the world's largest asset manager, BlackRock. Today, we'll discuss the partnership between Coinbase and BlackRock and why it's excellent for the Shiba Inu currency. Therefore, keep watching because today's video is going to be a bomb. Welcome to Crypto Insider, your source for Shiba every day. This is the place for you if you are curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep up with all the SHIB news predictions and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto world, subscribe. Let's check at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on October 24th before we move on to our topic. Shiba Inu's price exhibits a lack of positive momentum, which led to the reversal of its previous uptrend. SHIB is therefore likely to reverse recent gains and decline before retesting an important support level. Due to the extremely unpredictable occurrence, the Shiba Inu price fell 11% on October 13 to match the fair value gap average, extending from 83 cents to 92 cents. She regained her losses that day, and the stock closed higher than when it had started. Take action. Shiba Inu prices have been fluctuating as a result. SHIB will probably keep losing weight if Bitcoin price doesn't settle and spark a recovery. The lower limit at 83 cents, which is close to the point of control, is one of the important levels to keep an eye on. POC is trading at 81 cents, the level with the most volume since May 2021. If the market conditions have improved, a retest of one of these levels would be a good spot to accumulate. Investors can anticipate that the Shiba Inu price will cause a reversal from the perspective of market makers. An excellent starting point would be the equal highs at 179 cents. The upside for the meme coin is probably capped at offloading this move, which would result in profits of about 119%. The bullish argument will be refuted, however, if Shiba Inu price achieves a daily candlestick close below the POC at 81 cents. Shiba Inu's price can then decline and retest the 74 cent support level. Let's now return to the subject. BlackRock's institutional clients will be able to manage their portfolios, specifically Bitcoin for the time being, on the same platform through its Aladdin platform, an end-to-end investment management tool with exposure to assets on Coinbase. Simply said, Coinbase will give institutional investors access to cryptocurrency via the investment management software of BlackRock. The system will be crucially dependent on Coinbase Prime, the exchange's institutional investment division. Coinbase Prime will offer services in more detail. The partnership is significant for the cryptocurrency industry because it will pave the way for institutional adoption of cryptocurrencies and give BlackRock's client base new entry points into the world of decentralized finance. BlackRock is the largest asset manager in the world with over $9 trillion in assets under management. As a result, Coinbase's shares, which were fighting to recover from a 77% loss in the 4 weeks prior to this announcement, increased by 30% and have stayed in the same range ever since. However, given that Coinbase is embroiled in regulatory issues and is under investigation by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) for allegedly allowing its American clients to trade tokens that should have been registered as securities, the initiative has undoubtedly raised some eyebrows. It is unclear whether BlackRock's connections with the U.S. Federal Reserve and other important institutions will aid Coinbase in navigating its legal minefields. After all, during the two worst crises of this millennium, the 2008 recession and the 2020 coronavirus epidemic, the Fed requested BlackRock's expertise. BlackRock was given the task of managing the toxic assets that it had bought from failed financial companies in 2008, including AIG, Bear Stearns, Freddie Mac, etc. Additionally, the Fed chose the business in 2020 to oversee government relief spending while also buying billions of dollars worth of debt from significant firms that were impacted by the pandemic. BlackRock has long been interested in cryptocurrencies, or as it like to refer to them, digital assets. The business took part in the $400 million seed fundraising round for Circle Internet Financial, the parent firm of the second largest stablecoin dollar, earlier this year as an investor. Additionally, it has been claimed that BlackRock, like many other top financial institutions, is looking into the potential applications of cryptocurrencies for reserve management, asset tokenization, blockchains, and permission systems. A strong digital money mechanism may be able to lower the expenses associated with international payments and accelerate settlements, according to BlackRock CEO Larry Fink, who informed the company's investors. Additionally, stop money laundering. Even while it now seems unlikely, BlackRock Ox political influence, and interest in lobbying the U. Congress can assist introduce acceptable laws that will give the crypto market and the biggest economy in the world more credibility. As the infusion of cash drives development and results in higher value for the population, it's possible that many other places may follow suit. Let's now discuss chip burn. Since July, about 5.3 billion chips have burned. Since July, various transactions have burned more than 5.3 billion chips, according to data from the Ship Burn Twitter account. Over 135,418,982 SHIB tokens have been burned and 21 transactions have been made in the last 24 hours, according to the Ship Burn tracker. According to today's report from EW, Kyburn estimated that 613,214,213 tokens worth of SHIBs had been torched during the previous 7 days. The massive 4,762,745,494 SHIB tokens were transmitted to dead wallets in 505 transactions, according to the Ship Burn initiative. With this, the overall number of SHIB burns since the start of July exceeds 5.3 billion. The burn tracker recently reported a transaction containing millions of SHIB to be burned immediately after reporting 24-hour SHIB burn volumes. This amount may really be a little higher right now. The burn tracker also recorded individual transfers of 500,000 tokens to defunct wallets and 3,685,740 SHIB. By sending tokens to a burn address or dead wallets, you can remove them from circulation indefinitely. Burning is thought to increase scarcity, which is thought to lower prices, though this effect is not always certain. Shiba Inu experienced its biggest increase since February 2022 as of the end of July, up 13.4%. Given the amount of ground still to cover, one could argue that the Shiba Inu burns had a negligible effect. 5.3 billion SHIB seem to be a large sum. Nevertheless, it only pertains to the SHIB burn today, which you believe to be worth roughly $64,000. Hiroshi Kusama, the chief developer of the Shiba Inu game, outlines what would appear to be necessary for significant Shiba Inu burns to be truly community endeavors. According to him, the project is making progress in numerous ways. While hopeful the timing is ideal, he warns that this might take some time. The price movement of the cryptocurrency markets, however, is still entirely speculative given the current macroeconomic worries. All okay, bye for now. Additionally, we would like to point out that this is not a platform designed expressly to offer financial advice, and that we are not urging you to invest in any particular business. This is just a route used to deliver instructional material to your door. In light of this, we advise conducting extensive, all-encompassing study on the subject before making any purchases. Enjoy this video, we hope. If you own a Shiba, please let us know in the comments section below. Please also subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. We'll see you again soon at Shib Kai.